What if you could ask yourself one question every single day that, if asked consistently over time, would do two things? A, it would increase your ability to concentrate and focus. And B, it would increase the margin in your schedule. Would you do it? A study several years ago showed that in addition to our professional activities, the jobs that we are responsible for on a daily, weekly, yearly basis, we are exposed to about 2,500 different pieces of stimuli on a daily basis. Music, radio, news, billboards, signposts, you name it. It's all coming at us at an increasingly alarming pace. So for leaders, one of our most important skill sets is to be able to concentrate and get the fog out, or cut out that noise, filter it out. So to start that filtering process, ask this question: what is essential for me to complete today? And I also like to ask a follow-on question, which is, what is essential for me to do first? Now, this doesn't mean what would I like to do first, what would give me the most emotional satisfaction or payoff to do first, or what could I do first that would get me out of trouble with a colleague, or any of those things. What's simple to get done, it's what is essential. And the word essential is very powerful. It cuts right through. And I think you'll find that if you do this every day, and I've been doing it daily for about a year now, and it's made a big difference. I ask myself two questions every morning with the coffee and as I do my reading: what is essential for me to do today, and what is essential to work on first? Hope that helps. Have a great week, and we'll see you next Thursday.